Hoi An.
Hội An. Ngủ.
Buýt.
Ra Đà Nẵng ăn bánh canh. Ông muốn chả cá. Em muốn chả cá. Trời ơi trời.
I don't know if she actually understands that. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am currently in Hoi An, located 45 minutes drive out of Danang. This is a much more touristy place in comparison to Danang. So initially I was in Danang for a wedding, a Vietnamese wedding. I'm currently in Hoi An going back to Danang only for today because I want to cancel the train ticket that I have. Currently staying in a very beautiful villa that costs $11 that has a pool. How's that? You know, the value in Southeast Asia in terms of accommodation is crazy, so I'm very glad about that. Hello! Thank you, Miss Tan. See you later. Bye-bye. This is a small bus station in Hoi An. Particularly bus number 1, the yellow bus, is a bus going to Danang. I think it costs only 30,000 dong. Takes about 45 to 60 minutes, and it's quite fascinating, right? Because around this area there are plenty of seating stools that allows you to actually drink and eat or drink coffee in the morning. So yeah. We're going to reach the destination soon. So Danang in particular is actually the third largest city in Vietnam. However, it is the biggest city in central Vietnam. If you don't know already, Danang is particularly the fastest growing city in Vietnam because APEC, Asian Pacific Economic Forum, was actually held here, in which President Trump or even President Putin, President of the United States and President of Russia attended that particular forum. So we're heading to the train station. But I want to say, I think the economic growth in Danang, people can actually feel it. The main factors are actually the bridges that are built in Danang, one of being the Dragon Bridge. but we have just arrived at the train station if you see behind me. Danang is actually a French port city, so a lot of the times you also see a lot of trucks. And it was in the past was sort of base for US military because Danang has a lot of beaches. It's sort of a coastal city in the central Vietnam. A lot of French soldiers, US soldiers use Danang as a base to actually relax during the war or something in the past. Calm down. So this is train timetables, right? Like for example Hanoi, and this is us Danang. These are majority, they stop the city, name of the city. Just like in Saigon, here they do have luggage and motorcycle delivery.
Give me the passport, please.
Okay. That was quite easy. So you just need to present your passport and there is a 10% cut out of the original price. So for example, my train ticket originally cost 188,000 dong and mine is 800,000. What? 18,800. Yes, still you still get refund, but maximum of 4 hours prior to departure if you want to get your refund money back. It is just a perfect time to get a iced coffee. Can I get Saigon milk coffee? There are always this type of coffee shop. And if you notice, there is this iconic low stool. Vietnamese are considerably to be shorter people than average in comparison to other people. Comparison to other people in Southeast Asia. These stools are accommodating to Vietnamese height. Let's go.
I like your own.
So that cost me 21,000 dong, which if you translate that to USD, that's about less than $1. I am heading to one of the street food I found accidentally when I had a massage. Street food called Bun Ca, if that sounds right. Bun means like the type of rice noodles, and also Ca means fish cake because fishery is actually the main occupancy mostly in Danang. One here. Yeah. So in Vietnam, right? Hot and humid. So you get to drink sugarcane juice, fresh. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Good. Very good. Yay. Hello.
Hello. Quay phim này má một anh được lên bảo đó.
Doesn't have to be in a 5-star restaurant. Generally in Asia is that street food are taken seriously. Thank you. Bye. Bye. So funny. She asked her daughter Vietnamese translation, what does something something mean in English? And she said to me, see you again. How cute. Yay. I found my Bun Ca seller. Hello. Hello. What's the one?
Ở đây vậy?
Cái nào bụng đâu rồi?
Cho đi đi. Đầu tư trả. Mà bớt từ từ ngủ đi, đầu tư trả.
Kêu phải đó, từ từ cho đừng ăn trai đó, ăn gái.
Hơi bọc con bọc cái nói vì lửa. Chưa sợ nha. Ai?
This is called Bun Ca. So basically, bun is the type of noodles. However, the ca is the fish cake. This particular fish cake. The soup. It's just all about like freshness. Even though it's hot and humid, but people are still eating soup. The type of broth in Vietnamese type of cuisine is magnificent. So what you actually do is that put like a little bit of chili oil.
Hai mẹ với ca.
She's cutting a lot more chili. She knows I like chili. The lime.
Hai hơn một lần rồi. Ý thôi ít. Đừng có cho mắm nữa. Bỏ ớt thôi.
If you see a lot of locals are eating at particular street food, there's a reason why. Good.
Cười ra.
Oh my god. Even the rice noodles. There is this one particular Chinese snack I found. In China, we call that as youtiao.
Đi xe máy à? Đi xe máy à? Đi Hậu An ra đây.
Oh, buit.
This big?
Buit, bus, Hoi An. Yeah, yeah. This is your friend.
My friend.
Oh, your friend. Me? What?
Đẹp
Đứa chưa đẹp.
Đẹp. Đẹp. Độ đứa đó hả?
Đẹp.
Đẹp. Xinh gái. Đẹp.
Đẹp. Oh,
Rất là biết.
Đẹp. Oh, đẹp means beautiful, I think. Because the lady said. Someone is asking me to film him.
Dạ không? Dạ không, dạ không.
Qua đây bà thấy tôi uống ngon mà hoài chứ nói gì cũng nói này đó hả?
Dạ không.
Gì kìa? Đứa ăn gì?
Không à. Mà đi. Được chưa?
Okay.
Bye.
One certain thing about vlogging or just travel vlogging in general, I find that because I tried this both approach, yeah, when I research, I plan out very carefully as to what to film, what to do, and da. Sometimes like there's a very little aspect of spontaneity and there is not enough interactions happen. But when things are not really that planned out, you allow uncertainty to actually give this surprising aspect to it. There are a lot of things that are captured without such intention. Naturally happens just because I'm just trying to capture real things, and I'm very blessed to have such unexpected things of humans interactions between me and other locals, you know, such as trying to create something creatively out of something that is so unexpected, like travel. I think that's pretty much about it for today. I'm very pleased of today's experience. It doesn't have to be grander experience things, but just like small interactions like that. But thank you so much for watching and for all of the support. Truly, I wouldn't be here had I not have your support. So thank you so much again. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye.